Preview of making grocery lists from recipes. So, first, here's the recipe, and you or your student client can read the ingredients: eggs, butter, cheese. Okay, this is what we need to make our cheese omelet. So, let's look in our pantry and our fridge to see if we have these ingredients. So let's look for eggs, would be in the fridge because they need to keep cold. And I don't see eggs. Let's keep going though. Butter. Oh, here's butter and cheese. Found the cheese, so we are only missing eggs. And this product, only one ingredient will be missing per slide. So up here now we have our choice. We can use some reading um, skills, or we could look at the little pictures. And here it is, eggs. I'm going to drag eggs over to my grocery list, and we got it right. And as always, I try to remember to put my slides on Flow Magic, which means they do not advance automatically. You have to turn the page, so that gives you an opportunity to discuss um, the slide more if you would desire. And so then we have peanut butter and banana sandwich, cheese omelet, egg and toast, fruit salad, spaghetti and meatballs, peanut butter and banana sandwich, cheese pizza, bean and cheese burrito. Let's see, I think I said those. Cheese quesadillas, peanut butter and jelly with a banana. Okay, got all of them.